Okay, so we just climbed up the hell of a hill. So all of this is my parents' land. Ah, Pop,
Yes,
to where?
all the way down to the palm tree.
Oh, all the way down there.
And from there all the way to over another bush. Down in the valley where the coconut tree. All the way down.
That's all.
And over here, across the street. This is not a street, this is our property.
Ah.
And then the street gonna be over there. They
Ah.
only cut this so they could come up here to cut the land. But the real road is on that side.
Okay.
So all that is our property, go all the way over to here. And go all the way over into the valley over there. And then behind these bushes is ours, go up to the top of the crest.
Oh wow. They need to leave some of these trees, man.
So I have trees, them leave some of my trees. Some orange trees.